Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and now I will show you how to install and how to set up family parental control on child's Vivo X80 Pro device. So, firstly you need to open Settings application. So just find and open Settings, then scroll down, click Accounts and add child's Google account. Oh, I'm sorry, not Edge, but Google. Fine, but you need to know, if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link. So I suggest you to create a new Google account for your child with the password that only you will know, and add this account here. So enter the child's email, click Next, and the child's password. Click Next, click I agree, wait a while and cool. So fine, now go back to the settings menu, find here Google, click on it, scroll down, click parental controls, click get started, child or teenager, click next. Try again, parental controls, get started, child or teenager, click next. And cool. Now just click on child's account and link child's account to your Google account. So click continue and enter your email. Enter your email, parent email and parent password. Click next. Wait a while. Scroll down and confirm child's password. Click agree, allow, wait a while. Click next. Here you can choose you can choose apps to lock on the child's phone. Then click more. Click next. Wait a while and okay. Next, cool. Now you can go back to the home screen. And now find on your device, on parent device, Google Family Link on your brand store, for example, Google Play Store or App Store on Apple devices. So just find Family Link application in your App Store, click open, then find on your in your family group your child's Vivo X80 Pro device. Click OK, wait a while and fine. As you can see, we have a full control of the child's phone in our parent's phone. We can block his phone, we can block separate applications using our device. For example, if I want to block I don't know, Apex Legends, I need to open this menu, then find here Apex Legends. Apex Legends. So then click on the send watch button and click block. Wait a while, see you on the Apex Legends. icon, and as you can see, Apex Legends was successfully blocked on the child's phone. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.